XRP is still looking exceptionally juicy, and it is at $2.41 at the moment. The volume is down a little bit at the moment, 5.13 billion, and that is due to the weekend. People do have lives, ladies and gentlemen, and we have a 137.7 billion market cap. For people that don't know that number, it's recommended to look up. That's a massive company, and we're going to be talking about RLUSD going to $1,200 on its release. XRP hitting $122,580. I've never heard of that one, but we will dive into that price at the end. And we've got a very important video from David Schwartz himself. We are actually going to be going live quite soon. So make sure you stick around. If you enjoy the videos, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button where you don't miss out on the latest in XRP. So we got 1.55% increase in the market cap. We are $3.66 trillion. That's massive. And we are currently at number 4. And we're not going to be lingering around number 4 much longer. We got a lot of news and a lot of plans going to be broadcasted, and we are going to be taking over Luigi and Mario, Ethereum and Bitcoin. For the people that don't know that, they do mirror each other. If they go, one goes up, the other goes up. XRP is different. It's in its own world, and it's going to be the God token, no doubt about it. The best time to invest is now. So $30,500 worth of free money. The referral link is below. CoinW is the best platform, and it's got the best deals at the moment. So make use of that link below the video. So RLUSD stablecoin will increase demand for XRP. We know that it is going to happen. So obviously we got approximately 57 billion XRP in circulating, and we got 100 billion capped. So XRP is experienced a historical rally in November 2024 due to political tailwinds. We do know Donald Trump is pro-crypto, and he has a lot to do with it. Well, I'm glad we didn't get Harris, and it is very important we got Donald Trump. And Gensler is resigning before he gets fired on the 20th of January. So that's also massive news. And we do know XRP is going to be tax-free. So the guy says when you do those transfers, you pay for gas in XRP. So the XRP holders are still going to benefit because you burn some XRP every time you do the transaction. So XRP climbed, to a 7-year high of approximately $2.90 on December 3rd, 2024, but pulled back to current price levels after the Relative Strength Index, or the RSI, hit 95, indicating the asset was overbought. Despite the pullback, several catalysts have sustained investor intention for XRP going into 2025, and it is going to go absolutely parabolic. We can see the orange, and the orange is danger, and danger is the price exploding. So catalyst drive XRP's price. Donald Trump's election victory on November 5th has XRP massively increased in price alongside other cryptocurrencies due to the president-elect pro-crypto rhetoric and promise of friendlier regulatory climate for the crypto industry in the United States. We do know XRP isn't massively in the United States at the moment, but it is going to be in January. So on November 25th, asset manager from Wisdom Tree filed for an XRP ETF, joining Bitwise, Canary Capital, and 21 shares, which all previously submitted applications to the Securities and Exchange Commission, and they're going to get approved when Gary Gensler, there's more than one Gary Gensler out there, I know that, but when he gets out of the office on the 20th of January, it is going to go parabolic. So XRP flips Solana by market capitalization on December 1st, elevating XRP to the 4th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. So that achievement right there is absolutely massive. And for those who have the diamond hands, they should be proud of themselves, even though Raoul Pal and Peter Brandt have told you to sell at 50 cents. Glad you didn't, right? So according to data from CoinMarketCap, XRP currently has a market cap of approximately 138 billion, less than 2 billion shy of Tether's current market cap of roughly 140 billion. So the New York Department of Financial Services approved Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin on December 10th the dollar peg stablecoin will be over collateralized by fiat cash reserves and short-term equivalents such as US Treasury bills and redeemable at 1-to-1 ratio with US dollar. So it is a very exciting time. So RLUSD at 1200. Ripple executive names reasons behind the sky high price, and we'll dive into them. So Swartz, a very smart man, the chief technology officer at San Francisco-based blockchain firm Ripple, has cautioned the XRP community that there might be supply shortages of the new RLUSD stablecoin. This comes from Eximus. A popular XRP wallet started showing XRP being priced at a whopping $1,200. So Swartz has confirmed that someone is indeed willing to, shell out such exorbitant amount of money for a tiny fraction of the single token. He has explained somebody probably wants the honor of purchasing the first bit of RLUSD. So Swartz has assured the community that the price of stablecoin will stabilize shortly after its launch. If it doesn't, something is very seriously wrong, he said. The Ripple executive has also cautioned against FOMO, which is fear of missing out into the much hyped stablecoin, warning that it is not an opportunity to get rich. According to Swartz, the price of stablecoin will stabilize very quickly following its launch. Short-term changes in prices due to shortages of supply or demand are certainly possible, especially around launch. But they shouldn't remain for very long as arbitraries rapidly fix the market, he explained. As reported by you today, the stablecoin was recently green lit by the New York State Department of Financial Services. However, the stablecoin is yet to appear on the NYDFS website. Among green listed coins, it is believed that the stablecoin is going to be officially launched in the near future after getting a significant regulatory boost. So Ripple's new stablecoin product was initially announced by the company back in April, and now here we are finally at the big article. So collateralization model sets XRP fair market value at $122,580. XRP fair market value exceeds the $122,000 price mark, according to an assessment from the collateralization model from Valhill Capital. So XRP has been one of the top performers over the past 6 weeks, having recently reclaimed and retained the $2 level, despite there's some commentary suggests the altcoin still trades below its fair market value due to several factors contributing to price suppression. We do know there is price suppression. There is extreme suppression for XRP. The collateralization model, notably last year, venture capital firm Valhill Capital compiled several models seeking to assess XRP's fair market valuation under certain conditions. Interestingly, a bold valuation model, the collateralization model, suggests that XRP could have a fair market value of $122,580. So this evaluation sees a future whether global financial systems are tokenized and XRP becomes a foundation collateralization asset worldwide. So developed by Valhill Capital, the model examines the global wealth and tokenization's impact on XRP's role as a store of value. So interestingly, the collateralization model assumes that all global assets, including real estate, derivatives, central bank reserves, and commodities, are tokenized on the XRPL underlying blockchain for XRP. So the Ripple CTO, David Swartz, already confirmed that the XRPL is pivoting to RWA tokenization. This ambitious scenario sees a future where the blockchain technology represents a full spectrum of global wealth, notably the goal to determine XRP's value as a universal collateral asset in a highly interconnected tokenized financial system. So furthermore, the methodology stresses XRP's ability to secure assets rather than drive transactions. So the model's assumptions include full tokenizations of global wealth and the use of XRP to collateralize this value. XRP fair market value at $122,580. The evaluation considers the world's total wealth, which is estimated at 5.3 quadrillion or 5,300 trillion, when it applies a 1.25 times risk adjustment ratio and calculates the present value tokenized asset. The model estimates a total tokenized economy of 6.2 quadrillion, which is 6,200 trillion by 2030. So notably, dividing the value of XRP circulating supply of 50.7 billion tokens results in the projected value of 122,580 per token. So that is extremely bullish. The collateralization model puts an emphasis on XRP's potential in the tokenization scene. So, however, challenges remain. Tokenizing all assets globally would face technologically and regulatory setbacks. Moreover, unknown values not in the analysis could affect the accuracy of this evaluation. Despite these challenges, the model notes the possibility of a blockchain-based future where XRP's value syncs with its utility. Currently, XRP changes hands at $2.40, trading far below this fair market estimate. However, this is not a price prediction, but rather an analysis of XRP's theoretical fair value under ideal conditions. So now we got David Schwartz, and we'll quickly listen to him. Time is of the essence.
Hi, this is David Schwartz, also known as Joel Katz, CTO at Ripple. I recently released a list of suggestions for XRP ledger development, and I got a lot of questions about the stablecoin proposal. So I thought it might be helpful for me to walk through what I have in the design to give people a better idea of how I intended the system to work. So first of all, it's a collateralized stablecoin. That means tokenized assets whose value are expected to remain constant in some unit. So if it's a dollar stablecoin and you have 10 of it, you're expecting its value to remain stable at $10. These assets have a backing asset, in this case XRP. That means that there is something that is supposed to guarantee its value. Now, in some of those systems, you can actually redeem the stablecoin for the backing asset. In some, you can't. What's interesting about this proposal is that the stable coins are perfectly liquid to XRP at face value on the ledger. So in other words, if you have a dollar in a dollar stable coin designed on the system, what you have is a $1 claim on XRP enforceable by the ledger's payment mechanics. And the reason that that's important is with some other stablecoin designs, if the stablecoin isn't popular, it won't necessarily be liquid. If it's not listed on an exchange, if it can't easily be deposited and withdrawn, it won't be that useful. By the design of this system, the stablecoins can be offered through the on-ledger decentralized exchange, and they spend like XRP. So you don't need to find some way to make them liquid. You can just spend them right on the ledger. And of course, they can be pegged to anything that someone can provide a price feed on. Fiat currencies are probably what people typically think of, like dollars and euros or whatever. But they can also be pegged to things like stocks or precious metals or any other value source. As long as someone can provide a price feed for it, you can have a stablecoin pegged to that value. So there are 5 critical components to the system. There's the operator. That's the person or entity that provides the price feed and creates the system. There's the price feed itself. There are the collateralized positions. These are the things that hold the collateral. Then there's the redemption process, which is the way that someone who holds the stable coin converts it into XRP in a payment. And then there's a series of incentives to ensure that the stable coin remains convertible to sufficient XRP to back its value.
Well, you heard it from the man himself, David Schwartz. He gave us a quick summary, and we tried our best here. But that's all from Crypto Spartacus for now. Until the next one, enjoy the video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button where you don't miss out on the latest XRP news. Peace out.